forget to like, share, and subscribe. If y'all don't pick my sign up. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Psychology Eats. So what's eating you? Hi, everybody. Y'all, look at Walt. Look at Walt. Now, if you're new to my channel, you might not know that I do mukbang reviews. Yep, I do mukbang reviews. This is Walt. Walt is the brother of B Loves Life. B Loves Life is the #1 mukbanger in the world. To me. And I've done a lot of videos on B Love and Walt. Honey, let me tell you something about Walt. Couple of years ago, Walt was running this thing. He was running the T sector / mukbang sector. And so every once in a while, I likes to go over there and give all of my people that found me from doing mukbang reviews a little bit of our little old school review on Walt. Now listen, y'all. I heard through the grapevine that Walt was about to come out with his own hot sauce. Him and his wife. His wife is Sin City. She got a page too. And so him and Sin City is supposed to be coming out with a hot sauce from what I understand. I'm not sure. But anyway, let's watch Walt. I watched this already. And honey, I fell out. Walt is literally about to give up his life behind this hot sauce. And you can hear Cindy is also, and I think it's called honey hot catfish. So I don't know if the hot sauce has got honey in it, but let's watch Walt eat this honey catfish. Walt, stop. Over exaggerating. Just drink some damn water. Look at Walt, y'all. This is how he act when he eat hot sauce. The towel is to catch the sweat. Would you look at this? That's Cindy in the back. Now, why would I want to eat anything that's going to make me do this? Can you imagine? You at a restaurant and this is going on next to you. Smacking like his sister. Yes, Vibing with Woody is back. Remember, y'all, Vibing with Woody, he's back. He back on YouTube. But yes, y'all, Walt is back. Well, Walt never left, but he's trying this hot sauce, honey, and he's about to make millions and millions and millions of dollars off of this hot sauce. So go, Lord, now I need a fan on him. I can't do Walt. That's my update on Walt. Walt is still Walt, and yeah, that's it. Bye, y'all. I bet, Walt. Bye.
Guess what? I got a sale with me. And hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. And hit that little bell.
Subscribe. Say subscribe to Psychology Eats.
Subscribe to Cowboy Eats.
Not Cowboy.